We already told you in the previous video about the mysterious Comet 3 I/Atlas, a rare interstellar wanderer that approached Earth. Today, we will shed light on new data that will rewrite astronomy textbooks and reveal the mystery of the origin of life in the universe. December 19, 2025, became the day when Earth welcomed a rare guest from the depths of space. Comet 3 I/Atlas, the third interstellar object in human history, approached our planet at a minimum distance of about 1.8 astronomical units, or 269 million kilometers. This was the moment when astronomers around the world glued themselves to telescopes, and space missions like Europa Clipper began scanning its surface. Already in the first hours of observations, scientists noticed something unusual: the comet's exotic chemistry. Its composition was rich in molecules that could become the building blocks of life, organic compounds in concentrations far exceeding those seen in comets of our solar system. This is like a message from another world, scientists whispered, pondering whether this wanderer carried traces of distant star systems where life might have originated differently. The next day, December 20, the excitement grew. Radio telescopes picked up faint signals from the comet, radio emissions that finally dispelled speculations about its artificial origin. No, it was not an alien ship or a lost probe. The signals confirmed the object's natural nature, but with a twist. Unusually high levels of complex molecules, potentially linked to biological processes, were discovered in its gas envelope. Astrobiologists started talking about a cosmic soup, a mixture that could hint at how life spreads through the galaxy, and perhaps such comets distribute life across the universe through their complex biomolecules. The comet was moving away, but its tail, shimmering in the constellation Leo, seemed alive, pulsating in a rhythm that still needs to be deciphered. December 21 brought new data from the Parker Solar Probe. This bold spacecraft, flying closer to the Sun than any other, captured images of the comet at a moment when it was invisible from Earth due to solar glare. What it saw was astonishing. The comet's tail bent under the influence of the solar wind, revealing layers of exotic gases unlike those on Earth. Scientists noted that these gases could have formed under conditions far from our Sun, possibly near a red dwarf or in a dense star cluster. "We are looking at the chemistry of an alien star," one astronomer commented, and this statement spread around the world, sparking a wave of discussions about panspermia, the idea that life is seeded across space by such wanderers. By December 22, the comet had reached a brightness of about 11.8 magnitude, becoming accessible to medium-sized telescopes. Amateur astronomers around the world shared photos. In one of them, the comet's tail intersected with the trajectory of an artificial Earth satellite, creating an illusion of a cosmic dance. But the real sensation came from spectral analysis. Scientists recorded a periodic signal, like a heartbeat, with an interval of 144 seconds. Some researchers linked this to ancient Indian time cycles from Vedic texts, suggesting that the comet resonates with some universal cosmic rhythm. Of course, this was speculation, but it added mysticism. What if ancient sages captured the echo of such objects through their calculations? Astrophysicist Avi Loeb from Harvard hurried to calm the public, stating that the comet is most likely natural, but even he admitted that its features force us to reconsider our knowledge of interstellar bodies. Finally, on December 23, as the comet was already moving away at a speed of 210,000 kilometers per hour, observations continued. The brightness is fading, but data keeps coming in. Confirmation from NASA that its hyperbolic orbit will carry it out of the solar system forever, and new measurements of acceleration as it departs from the Sun. Scientists predicted that it would gain additional speed, possibly under the influence of unaccounted forces. This visit from 3I/Atlas became a reminder of the infinity of space, a rare guest that revealed secrets of life, rhythms, and chemistry that could come from worlds unreachable to us. And although it is leaving, its legacy remains. The question of whether we are alone in the universe has become a little closer to an answer. Comet 3I/Atlas is leaving the solar system forever, and we will never see it again. Its orbit is hyperbolic, which means it is not bound by the Sun's gravity, and after passing perihelion, it will simply continue its path into interstellar space. Although some scientists discuss the idea of sending a probe to intercept it, for now this remains at the level of ideas, and the comet is already moving away at a speed that makes it unreachable with current technologies. Farewell, celestial wanderer, who gave us thrilling moments before the power of the universe, with enigmas and mysteries. Perhaps this comet will provide new knowledge about how life originated on Earth. The extraordinary composition of molecules that it scatters along its path hints at how such comets could in the past, and continue in the present, distribute a ready-made soup set for the emergence of the simplest forms of life. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss fresh updates on space discoveries and mysterious phenomena on Earth and in the universe.